Hello everyone. So here we have a question which says that we have 5 bad oranges that are accidentally mixed with the good ones. If four oranges are drawn one by one successively with replacement, then we need to find the probability distribution of the number of bad oranges drawn. Hence, find the mean and variance of the distribution. So here from the question we can interpret that if four oranges are drawn one by one successfully with replacement, that means they are getting replaced, that we are picking and dropping in the same box. So let's see how we can find the probability of number of bad oranges drawn. So here we can see that the number of bad oranges out of 4 drawn, it can be possibility of 5 cases. That 0 means that we have not drawn any of the bad oranges. 1 bad orange, 2 bad orange out of 4, 3 bad orange out of 4, or 4 bad oranges out of the 4 chances we get. So first we need to calculate the probability of bad oranges. That would be 1 by 5 because we have 5 choices of 5 total cases and one would be obviously get true. So 1 by 5. Now probability of good oranges can be calculated as 1 minus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is probability of bad oranges. As you know, the sum is always one of the probabilities. So 1 minus p gives us 4 by 5. So we need to calculate the probability distribution. That's why we are making this table. And for each case we'll calculate the probability. 4C0, that means out of 4 chances we get 0 bad oranges. That means probability of good oranges would be 4 by 5 to the power 4. Now 4 by 1, that is 1 is a bad orange, so we have written 1 by 5, 1 probability of bad orange and 3 times the probability of good orange. Similarly we'll calculate for all the 5 cases. After calculating, the question also says that we need to calculate the mean and the variance. So the formula to calculate mean is sigma, that is sum of all the outcomes, all the choices that we have like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and their respective probability. So we will calculate the mean and here we can see that mean has come out to be 4 by 5. Now the formula for variance is sigma x square plus px minus sigma x minus px to the whole square. So here we are taking the square of our choices. Okay, so this is the formula that we'll be calculating, from which we'll get the answer of the variance, and the variance is 16 by 25.